update 6 for Pan That Face palette is going to be a quick one. However, I'm pretty sure majority of my Pan Those Face palette updates are fairly quick. So I guess nothing out of the ordinary here today. So to start with a little bit of a recap, the picture on top is from January and the bottom picture is from last month, which was June. I was able to hit pan in Vanilla Quartz after 49 uses. I did hit pan in Champagne Pop after 5 uses, thanks to a little divot it already had in there when we started this project. And I also hit pan in Prosecco Pop after 37 uses. I was using Prosecco Pop in combination with my Becca highlighter that I had in my Face Off project pan. The two of them just went perfect together. Ah, I miss that shade. I do have some weight changes this month, unlike my Pan That palette, which is just so stubborn. In January, it weighed 220.8 grams. Last month, it weighed 217.2 grams. And this month, it weighs 217 grams on the dot, meaning this month I was able to use 0.2 gram of product. And in total, I have used 3.8 gram of product, which is kind of funny because for my Pan That palette, I used 3.9 gram of product. So it's quite coincidental that the two of them are very close to how much I've used so far. This is the part that's always hard because of course I picked the most reflective palette, but this is what it looks like now as of July 4th. Oh, I didn't say it. Happy July 4th and Independence Day to everybody who is in the States who also watches my videos. I hope you're having a happy and great day, but remember to stay safe. Now let's show you the palette. There it is, in all of its glory. So to tell you what I see, Vanilla Quartz definitely has a bit of a pan expansion to it. And then the only other thing, I have expanded the pan in Champagne Pop as well, but just by a little bit. So to go over monthly and total uses, I've managed to get them all in one picture, which is kind of nice. Monthlies are on the top, totals are on the bottom still. For Rose Spritz, I did reach for it 11 times, bringing my total uses to 59. For Vanilla Quartz, I used it 10 times, bringing its total to 71. Unfortunately, I did not touch Pamplemousse just because I was focusing on Rose Spritz, so Pamplemousse is still at 50. For Champagne Pop, I did use it 5 more times. Its total is now at 30. And Prosecco Pop, unfortunately, also didn't get used as well, so it is still at a total of 42 uses. I'm going to put a picture of my palette here so I don't blind you as I'm talking about it, but just to kind of recap on my June goals. My goals were basically to focus on Rose Spritz and Vanilla Quartz. So I think I did pretty good. With Rose Spritz, I did get those 11 uses, but unfortunately it still looks quite the same, and that's just because you don't tend to use a lot of blush when you apply it. However, I did get 10 uses on Vanilla Quartz, and the pan definitely expanded a little bit. So for July, I think I'm going to keep my goals the same. So we're just going to keep focusing on Rose Spritz until something super exciting happens, which I kind of get the feeling it's not going to be this year, but you know what? Crazier things have happened, so we're still going to focus on it and hope for the best. However, with Vanilla Quartz, we're also going to focus on it as well, but my goal with this one is to use that pan entirely up. So I might dabble into Prosecco Pop here or there, or Champagne Pop, or I might mix the colors to get some fun looks, but I'm definitely going to incorporate Vanilla Quartz pretty much into every look that I use because I want that baby gone, and I want it gone by the end of this year. So that is my update for Pan That Face palette. Like I said, pretty short and sweet, and I think, you know what, we're going pretty good. It almost seems like slow and steady progress, which kind of makes sense because I don't wear makeup every single day. I think if I did, I would definitely be going through these a lot faster. Maybe I have to have like a month where I challenge myself to wear makeup every single day and then like maybe use up a lot more things, and that would also help with using every shade of my Pan That palette and my blue BYOP palette, so I might have to do that. However, that is everything for Pan That Face palette. Thank you so much for watching this video today and being here on my channel. It definitely helps me out and it encourages me to keep going. Until the next video I see you in, I hope the day treats you well. And lastly, because I didn't put it at the start, I kind of threw it in the middle. If you made it this far, I hope to all my American viewers that you have a healthy and happy Independence Day. Bye.